Hello viewers, I'm Maithili. Today we are going to see 10 CBSE Maths Coordinate Geometry Exercise 7.2 second sum. Let's see the question. Find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line segment joining 4, -1 and -2, -3. Here they have given A to be 4, let us take A to be 4, -1 and it's -2, 3. They have given one word, that is trisection. Trisection means, means we know it is 3. The line is divided into 3 parts. Section means parts. So it is divided in 3 parts. 1 part, 2 part and 3 part. We need to find the coordinates of this parts. That is this point, which is, I am going to take this to be P and Q. So we need to find the coordinate of the P and Q. Let us see. This is divided into equal parts. So if I take P, the P ratio will be, here it is 1 part. After that it is 2 part. So your P ratio will be front 1 and at the back it is 2. So 1 is to 2. So you need to check the front part to the first one, the back part to the second one. So it is 1 part and 2 part at the back. So 1 is to 2. Here the Q ratio can be 2 is to 1 because in the front it is 2, at the back it is 1. So 2 is to 1. We can take Q as the ratio of 2 is to 1. Otherwise we can also do differently, easily, by taking P and Q. You know that Q is in between P and B. So taking the midpoint formula of P and B, we get Q. So let us find P first. After that, taking P and B as a midpoint formula, we can find Q. Now for P, we are going to do section formula of, as ratio, we know the ratio. We are going to do the section formula. The formula is M1 x2 plus M2 x1 by M1 plus M2. Same way, M1 y2 plus M2 y1 by M1 plus M2. Here your ratio, this is M1 M2. This will be x1 y1. This will be x2 y2. Just substitute the value to find the P. So P is equal to, here M1 is 1 into -2 plus 2 into -4 by 1 plus 2. Now M1 1 into -3 plus 2 into -1 by 1 plus 2. This becomes -2 plus 4 2s are 8 by 3, here it becomes -3 -2 by 3. Here it becomes 6 by 3, -5 by 3. This we can cancel as 2. So it becomes 2, -5 by 3. So P value, P point is 2, -5 by 3. We have found P. We need to find Q. As I said before, it is in between P and B. So we can take a midpoint formula for P and B to find Q. So for Q, I am going to take the midpoint formula, that is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. While taking the formula, we need be careful that we need to take the coordinates of P and B because it is in between P and B. So your B is -2, 3. So I am going to take P and B points. This will be your x1 y1. This will be your x2 y2. Now just substitute the value here. 2 -2 by 2, here -5 by 3 -3 by 2. This becomes 0, here we need to take LCM. While taking LCM, it becomes 9. So -5 -3 3s are 9 by 3 will come down. So 3 2s are 6. Now this becomes 0, here we need to add minus 14 by 6, we can cancel this in two tables, so 7 3. So your Q point will be 0 comma minus 7 by 3. This is your Q and this will be your P. That's all with the sum. Thank you.